Hey guys, welcome back to another one of our cooking segments. My name is Andrea and this is my brother Ben. And when we're not out in the oil field working, we're here cooking because we love food. Today we are making some yummy chicken buffalo dip. Okay, so here we go. Ben's gonna chop up some chicken for me. This chicken's already cooked. He's just gonna chop into like little, just kind of cube-like chunks of chicken. So, okay, we've got a bowl here. This has got 2 8-ounce canisters of the whipped cream cheese. And I'm gonna be picky about the cream cheese. It really does need to be that whipped kind, because look, it just kind of like mixes so much better with everything. So 2 8-ounce canisters of cream cheese go into a bowl. We've got a splash white vinegar, a couple of shakes of pepper, okay, and then we've got blue cheese. And all that because it is a buffalo chicken dip. Gotta have the blue cheese. How's it going, Ben?
It's going good.
Okay, chop that chicken. We're gonna get to that really fast because this is a fast, easy recipe, especially when you got like kiddos and you're out. I got 2 kiddos and they're always hungry, so you gotta make something. Okay, now we've got some buffalo sauce. That's gonna give it that kick. We've got cheese. We're gonna actually do about, we're gonna save ourselves just a 1/4 cup of that cheese, but put about a 1/2 cup of cheese in. Get all that mixed up in here. How's it going, Ben?
Good.
Ben, do you get hungry when you're out in the field cooking?
Always.
Out there working?
There's not many options out in the middle of nowhere.
What do you eat when you're out working?
Chicken nuggets.
All day long?
Chicken nuggets all day long.
Chicken nuggets, Actually, I get my credit card statement and it's chicken nuggets, chicken strips, chicken, Kentucky Fried Chicken, all the chickens. Sonic. Okay.
Always a Sonic.
Always, but they're everywhere. It's easy to eat. Okay, we're gonna put in about a 1/2 cup of sour cream. Okay. We're gonna do about a 1/2 cup, maybe probably a little bit more than a 1/2 cup of ranch dressing. Get all that stirred up. Good stirred. And then Ben, you some of that chicken.
Yeah, well, we got a lot of it.
Yeah, buffalo chicken dip, y'all.
Got almost this whole bowl filled.
Okay, this is going to go in a 350-degree oven for about 25 minutes. You can put it in a slow cooker. I love my slow cooker. I use it all the time. About 2.5 to 3 hours in the slow cooker. That would work great too. Just in case you don't want that oven on, you can go ahead and put that in there. Especially on hot summer days when you just don't want to run the oven. You just put it in the crock pot. Okay,
All right,
quick.
here's the bowl.
Yeah. Put all that chicken in there. Here, give me the rest of the chicken. Put all that chicken in there too. Woo. All right, give me that oven-proof dish right there. So we're gonna get the chicken mixed up in here. All that good stuff in there, and then we're gonna put it in this kind of oven-proof, safe dish. I'm just gonna like this so you guys can see. So all that in this kind of oven-proof bowl here. We're gonna spread this out.
Can I lick the bowl?
Oh, sure, you have fun with that. It's gotta go first. All right, spread this out. This is gonna go right in this oven back here at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. We'll meet you right back. And this is all cooked up and ready to go. Oh, yum. Alrighty,
Oh, look, it's done.
Alright, we've got a chicken buffalo dip. It's been in the oven for about 25 minutes. We're gonna quickly top it off with the rest of that leftover cheese that we saved. Just get some of that cheese in there. We've got some green onions we've chopped up. We're gonna top that up. And guys, it's done. This is a perfect snack. You have football parties, you've got sporting events, you've got a Ben. They eat it all the time.
There's more than just one of me?
No, of course not. Thanks, guys. Check out our rest of our stuff on our YouTube channel. Check out our Instagram at Oklahoma Oil and our website, which it's really hot.
It's temperature hot.
It just came out of the oven. See you guys later. Bye, y'all.